What up, good people? Huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2024 Toyota Corolla. Man, we gotta hurry up with this review because the salesman trying to sell it. Today we're introducing the 2024 Toyota Corolla, wrapped in an elegant classic silver metallic, with its sleek profile measuring 182 inches in length, 56 inches in height, and a wheelbase of 106 inches. This compact sedan is built for precision handling. Its 5.3-inch ground clearance strikes the perfect balance between stability and agility. Under the hood is a 1.8-liter four-cylinder generating 138 horses for the torque 105 at 6,000 RPM. This efficient powerhouse propels the Corolla from 0 to 60 in just 9 seconds with a top speed of 107 miles per hour, delivering an impressive 50 mpg on the highway, 43 in the city. The Corolla ensures you to go further with fuel stop. Right here we're looking at an 18-inch graphite gloss black finish with disc brakes in all 4 corners. Fun to drive, stylish to be seen. From quick trips to cruising the scenic route, the Corolla lets you do it all with confidence and style. This has an MSRP of $28,000. With the key in my pocket, now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. Right here we're looking at an analog gauge. On the left you have your RPM with your engine temp. On the right you have your gas gauge with your MPH. In the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go through your vehicle info, trip, audio, and so much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your auto high beams with your traction control alongside your gas release. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start-stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. Right here, we're looking at an 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have your backup camera. Looking down from the radio, you have your climate control. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is the ECVT, a electric continuous variable transmission. The buttons right here are your drive mode with your EV mode. The buttons right here are your electronic parking with your auto hold. Alongside your cup holder area, you have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with gray cloth seats. Your passengers have 2 Type-C outlets. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 13.1 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. You can put a couple of 32-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2024 Toyota Corolla. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.